आज 5 सितंबर है। आपको सबको ज्ञान है कि ये टीचर्स डे मनाया जाता है भारत में, जो भारत के प्रेसिडेंट रह चुके हैं डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन, उनके नाम से। विद अस टुडे वी हैव कीर्ति मिश्रा नारायण। शी इज़ गॉट एन अवार्ड, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan Memorial Awards 2020, National Level Award, as being an educator. And this is the award comes from Psychorian Matrimonial Services, Rajniti Ki Pathshala, and there's this, I think, School of Politics. So there's a lot of associations जो जुड़ गई हैं. We are in the midst of a global pandemic, and now we like to give it to Kirti. So she'll talk about the Teachers' Day. What does she feel, her growing up years and everything. Yes.
I am extremely happy and honored to receive this award because every person is a student and a teacher. That's what I believe, because life is a vicious circle. You know, we all have gone through that phase where we are students, we were students, and we keep learning each day. And we become teachers as well, because once you are a parent, you are definitely a teacher, because your parent is the first teacher for everyone. And besides that, every day, whenever you are teaching anybody, whenever you are learning something new from others and you are imparting that knowledge to others, you are indirectly teaching many people. So every person is a teacher, every person is a student, and this relationship and this learning should go on and on. So I'm very honored to get this award today, on this day. In fact, this is the first time I was telling him that I'm out after 6 months of being into home and abiding by the rules, and today taking the full precautions as they are maintaining social distancing and doing everything as per the regulations. So I'm happy and glad that I'm here and could hear such wisdom of words from very much intellectual and intelligent people, and all the teachers and principals who have been here. So for me, about me, I am imparting knowledge to the youth as a pageant coach. Earlier I had started my journey, and then I was teaching the students in universities. I would take sessions on personality development, and it continued even during the corona times. As he said, that pandemic, of course the work pressure and everything was there, but we were doing it virtually. The show must go on was the spirit. About Teachers' Day, it's very, very special. It's very important. As we all know that, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India, on his birthday we celebrate Teachers' Day, because he was loved by all his students. He was such an intelligent and intellectual educator. He has taught in Banaras Hindu University, Andhra University, Kolkata University. He was the man of full wisdom and loved by all. So he insisted that all my students, I would not want my birthday to be celebrated as my birthday. Rather, it should be a tribute to all the teachers. And that's how this day is being celebrated each day, and we all are celebrating it. And it's an honor and it's a tribute to all the teachers. And I'm happy that I am also able to give my input and to the society, to the youth, to the students, and play a little role in the development of our nation.
All right, thanks. We also just wanted to, it occurred to me that the leader of our nation, the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, in his last 6 years, has got a trajectory where he's talked about with the students. He does his Mann Ki Baat, and then he's got a book also out, Pariksha ke upar, Pariksha se Charcha and all that. So how do you feel that is the PM has also now become a teacher? I mean, despite his political role, So how do you take Modi ji?
See, Modi ji is more than a teacher. I think he's like more for many people. I think in India, he's more like a god. People are learning a lot from him. Of course, there are always people who would like his ways, people who would have their own inhibitions about the way he does things. But I think he's a great leader, and I myself, I like the way he has shaped our country.
I want to say, through this platform, we are going to interview other people, educators, doctors, everybody, because I just felt that, as they told, that Bharat Ratna was given. I'm not recommending, as per se, that I am not a Modi Bhakt or something. So, but I just felt, since Modi has done so much in last 6 years by way of education, like you said, people behind his back who are not his followers are also really they talk about him in closed doors. So how do you feel that should Modi ji get an award today? means next year we can all, work for it.
See, I think whatever little that we know of our Prime Minister, he is not the one who would really be seeking or looking forward for an award. He is a great leader and a very dynamic one, and he believes in the imparting education. He believes in growing the country, developing the country with his own pace, with his own vision and ideas, and which he is doing it. And we all really admire the way he has taken India globally. On now everybody knows who's Mr. Modi. Everybody knows where India is, where India stands, and he's trying his bit. So I don't think, the only thing we can do is we can just support him, and we can give him our love and support and respect that a Prime Minister of any country deserves. So we must do that. And about as far as the award is concerned, I don't know that.
It's fine. Means he's not expecting an award. But today I felt, because when we're hearing people today giving the speech, so I felt that education, anybody who's imparting knowledge, even today, if I'm a media person and I am going to impart some knowledge to some people, so I will also be classified as an educator, So in the future, even without my doctorate qualification or something, even I can look forward to an award once I grow up. Right? So Kirti, thank you very much for coming here and receiving this award. Sanjay Agarwal with Kaushal. Thank you, Kaushal.
Thank you.
Yeah.